If you are looking for a website where you can download your paid books for free, then this video is for you. Hello there, my name is Emmanuel, and on this channel I teach people on how to use their Windows operating system, how to use their Ubuntu operating system, and general tech tutorials. So the different videos are posted under different playlists. So if you want to download your paid books for free, or most of your paid books for free, then you come to this website. Here, most of the books you've always wanted to buy either on Amazon or other platforms, they are here for free. As you can see, if you want to download any book, you come to categories. You come to categories, you'll see the different categories of books here. These are the different categories of books. If you want books on art, if you want books on Bibles, you want book on biography and autobiography and all the rest, these are the books. And all of them are free. There are so many of them. So let's say you want to download a book on music. You just come and click on music. And as you can see, these are different books on music. These are different books on music. Piano and song, how to teach, and all of that. There are so many of them. They just look at, and they're high quality books. This page 1, page 2. Now, if you want to download, let's say you want to download divine songs, you click on the book, then here, if you want to download the EPUB file, you do. If you want to download a PDF file, you do. But as for me, I'll download the PDF file. So you click on the PDF, and voila, it has already downloaded, guys. It downloads so fast. If you've gotten value from this video, make sure to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my YouTube channel, share this video to people, because many people are looking for websites to download free books. Thanks for watching.